Hey YouTube family, I'm back with another video and I'm gonna just hop right into it for my flat twist technique.
I couldn't help but notice your pain.
I've already put my hair in my 4 sections, I've detangled, and I twisted up the back. To start my twist, I like to have my hair soaking wet so it can set properly and look real juicy. So here you'll see me putting water and my styler of choice on the section I'm about to twist and detangle for a final time. When I'm ready to start flat twisting, I split the top of the section into 2 pieces and then crisscross them while still holding tight to the piece that's on top. I let the piece that's underneath blend in with the rest of the hair so I can gather that piece along with added hair from the section. I use my index finger on my free hand to scoop it together and give it to my middle finger on my other hand to then twist. Now the piece that was originally being held on top is the one underneath blending in with the rest of the hair in the section. I repeat these steps until there is no more hair to add into the flat twist and then take the remaining 2 pieces and twist them like a regular 2-strand twist. So this is gonna seem weird, but for some reason, I can't flat twist in the same direction on both sides of my head. If you notice on the first twist I demonstrated, I was twisting backwards. Now on the other side of my head, I'm twisting forward. It's weird, I know, but I just can't help it. Maybe one day I'll figure it out. And that's it, guys. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful to you, and be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for your girl. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!